I just gave thanks to God for all of his blessings, everything that he's doing for me, particularly having his presence in my life. He abides on the inside of me, and I'm so grateful for that. I'm so grateful he was heavy upon my life so that I can just enjoy the presence of God in these last days, knowing which way to go. Glory to God. Because indeed, as we implore the Holy Spirit in our lives, he will lead you and guide you into all truth, and you have no need of a teacher to come into your life and try to instruct you on what you need to do. But the Holy Spirit, he's living on the inside, and he'll tell you which way to go. And so I'm so happy that, I've paid a price to have him in my life, and he's indeed leading and guiding me. So I give thanks to God for all of his blessings in his presence. And like